friends, welcome back to another video from Trinity Cultural Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about an interesting topic that is fruit drop, its causes and control measures from Unit 2 Growth and Development of Horticulture Crops and few important question and answers. At the end of this presentation, we may be able to get answers for these questions like what is fruit drop, what causes fruit drop, and how do you prevent fruit from dropping, and finally if we can't prevent, then how fruit drop can be controlled. Generally, fruit trees bear large number of flowers, but at the end of the maturity stage it can retain only small percentage. We take mango as example. The inflorescence of mango is panicle. In one panicle about 2000 to 5000 flowers present, but only 2 to 3 fruits can be retained up to harvesting. We'll see what is the reason behind this. A term called fruit drop, which means detachment or separation of fruit from a branch of a tree or plant. And why this happens means because a layer called abscission layer is formed on fruit stalk due to some physiological and biochemical events. What is that separation layer? That is abscission layer, which is made up of a layer of parenchyma cells formed at the end of petiole. The meaning of abscission is shedding of any part of plant, maybe fruit, leaf, flower or seed. Why this layer is formed? Reduction in chlorophyll production due to decreased sunlight in the autumn season, and the plant growth hormone called auxin level decreases. In addition to this, ethylene also plays an important role. Fruit drop has both advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is it prevents exhaustion of resources and it prevents from breaking the branches by overbearing. The disadvantage is farmers may face financial loss. Based on stage of plant at which fruit drop happens, there are 4 types of fruit drop. First one is pre-setting. Here setting denotes flowering, which means it occurs at earlier stage after flower opening. Post-setting means it occurs after fortnight than pre-setting, that is after 2 weeks or 15 days of flowering. Next one is June drop. We already know that after flowering fertilization occurs. In this type, maybe fertilized or unfertilized flowers drop. From the name we can say that it occurs in June month when the fruits attain marble stage. The type of fruit drop mostly seen in mango. The final one is pre-harvest drop. It causes a major financial loss to the growers. Now many people can think why this fruit drop alone causes major financial loss. Why not others? The reason behind this is it occurs in stage just before harvest. So we are spending more resources up to this stage. While in other types they occur in early stage of growth, that is immediately after flowering. So the resource usage is comparatively less. Another point here is off-developed or 3/4 developed fruits are mostly shedded. Let us see the causes of fruit drop. It may be due to any factors like wind, hailstorm, climatic factors like high temperature, very low temperature, low humidity. These factors hasten the formation of abscission layer in fruit stock. The physiological factor is nutritional deficiencies. Dropping is more in case of weak shoot. Pest and diseases plays an important role in cause of fruit drop. Another important factor is cultural practice. Deep ploughing during fruit development stage and excessive irrigation causes bad aeration in soil, results in fruit drop. The varietal factor. Within a kind of fruit, it may differ among varieties. For example, variety called Langra in mango is more susceptible to drop while Daseri is least. Other factors like in case of seedless fruit, the shed is more compared to seeded ones. In case of cross-pollinated fruits, the shed is less compared to self-pollinated fruits. Younger plants shed more compared to older ones due to lack of nutritional reserves. Here, let us see fruit drop in mango. It is a serious problem in mango and mostly occurs after fruit setting due to competition for resources. In exams, question may ask this point as which variety of mango is highly susceptible to fruit drop. So answer is Langra while Daseri is least. The major cause is due to embryo abortion, climatic factors, disturbed water relation, etc. How to control this problem means foliar application of Alar, the trade name is B9 at 100 ppm or NAA at 20 ppm at P stage of fruit. In case of acid lime, mandarin orange, spray 2,4-D at 20 ppm or NaA at 30 ppm at flowering and marble stage. Nitrogen deficiency in grapes causes bud, flower and berry drop. Why NaA, 2,4-D, alar are used? Because these are the sources of auxin. In this slide, we have given important crops, time of fruit drop and the stage of fruit at which fruit drop occurs. You can go through the slide in exam point of view. Some of the important one-liners in this topic. Fruit drop occurs when auxin level decreases. Fruit drop in mango is controlled by spray of 20 ppm of NaA. Very low temperature, deep ploughing results in fruit drop. The important question and answers. The aborted pistil drops in which stage? The correct answer is option A, pre-setting. In which fruit drop, nitrogen deficiency is a cause for flower drop or fruit drop? The correct answer is option A, grapes. Major cause of fruit drop in mango is D, all the above. Thank you friends. For PDF and online test, text to this WhatsApp number 9894904745 or mail to this mail ID too. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel to get the upcoming videos.